trying to find new ways and things. My life has been filled with twists and turns. Whoa, and sometimes I never knew which way to turn. Whoa, but when the going gets, the top gets, I get, will never give up till even though I'm broken up inside.
Never give up my pride.
And even though they try to push me inside.
Never give up my pride.
And even though sometimes my work outside.
Never give up my pride.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. Brother Spiritual, on strings. You know, people, in life you're gonna face obstacles, but don't make them things face you and cause you to give up. Just know that there's a God, and once you pray and work, fast and pray, He will open the way for you. So no matter, I believe, don't afraid of falls and flower grows. I believe somewhere in the darkest night a candle glow. And every time I hear a newborn baby cry, oh tenderly, oh see the sky, the I know firmly trust Him, never give up. So even though I'm broken up inside, and even though they try to push me aside, juggling and separation, and I'm unfitting up there. I'm thinking don't have it go. We get to what I want to get. We always have to have to get to the night. Though we never be another follow down. One more back on the yard. We get to what I want to get. We always have to have to get to the night. Though we never be another. Also back on the yard. Question or answer, want to answer. Question or answer, want to answer. Question I ask me want to answer. Question I ask me want to answer. Where Ebola come from? In a low, but you don't in a the great motherland. Yo, where Ebola come from? In a low, but you don't a killer black man. Say where Ebola come from? In a low, but you don't in a the great motherland. Yo, where Ebola come from? Zimbabwe. Take warfare in isolation. A strategy to control the population. But one get a big in the bigger and the ladder. The capacity and calculator. How you feel it? Where the Ebola come from, we don't know, but it don't get a big motherland. Yo, where the Ebola.
The youths who are dying out, crying out for love. Victims of the system, you divide and rule.